Hello students, this is Software Application Lab. The topic is design of singly reinforced rectangular beam. This design, whatever RCC design we are doing manually, the same procedure we are following here, but we are using the software, or we are also called spreadsheet or Excel. Microsoft Excel. Using Microsoft Excel, we are going to design singly reinforced rectangular beam. Let us see here. I already prepared this design. Just I will explain how I prepared this design spreadsheet. Okay, the question is, this is the spreadsheet or Excel sheet, how it will visible. And this is the question. The question is, a reinforced concrete beam is to be designed over an effective span of 5 meter to support a design service load of 8 kN per meter, adopt M20 grade concrete and Fe415 HYSD bars, and design the beam to satisfy the collapse and serviceability limit states. Here the question and full design steps are there. Full design is there. Here your job is, using this question and answer, using this manual solved question and answer, you can prepare the software, that in other words, prepare the spreadsheet using Excel, using Microsoft Excel software. Okay, here observe, the data is given. You can observe the data, whatever data are given in the question, and as it is, type the given data like this. See, first heading you can type like this: design of singly reinforced rectangular beam. After data, next effective span of beam. Effective, you can observe the question, the L, capital letter L, is the effective span, 5 meter here, but in the spreadsheet you can give any one unit, or that means you should follow in meter or in millimeter. Better you can use millimeter. Okay, so effective span of beam is 5000 millimeter, because in the question given 5 meter. Okay, it is very simple. Whatever data given in the question, as it is, you can type in the spreadsheet. Okay, the data, given data is effective span of beam is 5000 millimeter. Next, width of beam, that also given in the question. Here I did one order, whatever data are given, no, that I typed in the red color. Okay, whatever data are we are going to feed, that data, that color code I given red. Okay, and next, width of beam, you can observe in the question, width of beam 200 millimeter. It is also given in the question. See, the B is the width of beam 200 millimeter, and the next, depth of beam 400 millimeter, depth of beam 400 millimeter. Next, service load 8 kilonewton per meter, that also given in the question. No, Q, that is also given in the question, 8 kilonewton per meter. As it is, you can type, and here you can type the unit. Okay, here detail, in this column you can type the details, and here the numerical values, that means whatever you can going to give the given data and the calculation part. Okay, here in the third column you can give the unit, type it. Okay, just type. Next, coming to service load over. Next, FCK is 20, that means concrete grade. FCK means concrete grade is M20 grade is given, so 20 you can give the 20 Newton per mm square. Next, FY is the steel grade is given in the question, FY 415 Newton per mm square, 415 Newton per mm square. Next, effective depth. Now coming to effective depth, here the calculation required. You can observe the question. For calculating effective depth, the formula is span divided by 15. So here you can observe, whenever you are going to feed the formula, at that time you should give the, just double click, you should give the equal. Whenever you are going to feed the code, or other word in programming, that the software is going to analyze, it is the programming, or it is the language for analyzing the software. That software is going to analyze whatever programming you are going to write after the equal. When you are going to give equal in the spreadsheet, the software is goes to understand it is the programming. That means the software also going to calculate. How it will work? See, observe here. Equal, when you are going to give equal, it is considered program. After equal, C3 is means C column, and third row, the answer, whatever answer is there, no, that answer automatically it will take up. Okay, divided by 15. According to the manual method, the formula is correct, no? Span by 15. Span is 5000 millimeter divided by 15. That only I did here in the spreadsheet, in the Excel. C3 is the 5000. That the whatever answer is there in this space, or in this region, or in this coordinate point, that answer it will take automatically, and after dividing by 15, that C3 means 5000 divided by 15. After you can give enter, the answer will come. The software is goes to calculate the answer. Okay, this is the way of, this is the how to giving program or the statement in the Excel sheet. See, the answer will goes to calculate automatically. After you can give the unit. Next, the red color, already I said the red colors are direct input data. Okay, here no any other calculation, so here not needed. Don't give any equal. Okay, when you are going to calculate some calculation in the particular data, then you can give the equal. Okay, these are the given data. Okay, thank you.